Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add products and services into your QuickBooks. Now, when you're doing these, products and services are pretty much like the things that you sell in your business. So if you sell this type of product in your small business, well, that's a product or service, or any type of service. And you're going to use this for when you start creating invoices, when you're creating sales receipt, purchase orders, and other things like that. Now, this is a brand new stinking QuickBooks account. If you're coming from my TikTok lives or Instagram lives, you know I always use the example of a chicken sandwich business. So that's the example here. So let's really jump into it. So on this left-hand side where you see sales, right, you're going to see products and services right there. We're going to click on that. You should get this nice little intro screen. We're going to click add a product or service. Okay, so the first option it gives us is inventory. Guys, inventory is things that you are tracking in your business and you need to keep a quantity on. The next is non-inventory. So these are things that you sell. These are products that you may sell in your business that you do not keep a track of quantity on. The next is a service. So guys, if you're out there doing some type of service, this is what you're going to use. And the last one is a bundle. So think of this like a whole entire meal. So let's say someone orders a meal, and I want to list it as a bundle. And in the bundle, it's going to be like hamburgers, fries, and a drink. Okay, does that make sense? So that's what a bundle is. Now, if I just want like a single item, that's going to be a non-inventory, and that's what we're going to jump into now because we're going to be putting a chicken sandwich in our business. So we give it a name. So in this case, it'll be a chicken sandwich. That's what we're selling. I just copy that, and then right here, if you want to put a picture of your chicken sandwich, that'd be cool, right? You want to put a picture of your product or service, you can do that as well. This SKU, this is a term that you guys probably, if you know about it, you know about it. If you don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Category is this is how you want to categorize things. So let's say for this, we'll put a category as sandwiches. Yeah, a new category. So that means so I have category sandwiches, and right now I have a chicken sandwich. Let's say that's the original chicken sandwich. And then let's say the next time I create something like a spicy chicken sandwich, that'll be under this category. Let's say I create a lemon pepper. That sounds so good. A lemon pepper chicken sandwich? That sounds so good. Let's say I create a lemon pepper chicken sandwich. I'll add it there. A buffalo chicken sandwich. I'll put it all under the same category, and this will give us more concise reports when we run it. The next is the description. So, and you want to, if you sell this product or service to your customer, just keep that box checked. The next is the description, and this is what's going to show up when you send out an invoice, and it's going to show there. So if you send out an invoice for your service, this is going to be in the description. That way, you're not always typing it every time you type an invoice. So I already copied this. I'm going to just copy this. So Command C, Control C if you're on a Windows. Then Command V, Control V if you're on Windows. And I just pasted it there. Next, you're going to put your price. So whatever you charge, that's what you're going to put the price. So I don't know. What do you guys want? I'm saying like, I don't know what you guys want to charge. Like, I'm on a live. I'm so used to talking on live like that I feel like you guys are here with me, but you're not. So maybe you'll join the live. I'm live usually Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Central Time. So let's say our chicken sandwiches are $5, and it goes into our income account. We'll just call it sales. If most of you guys are not going to check this, is purchasing from a different vendor. Most of you guys will have to check that. And then, yeah, why? Okay, and then you want to know if you're, okay, so you guys want to know if this is really important, and I'm glad this happened. You want to know if your product or service is taxable. So it's really important that you check with your state to see what's taxable or not. Because I know, and this is, let's say the chicken sandwich business is, selling chicken sandwiches in the state of Texas. Well, guess what? I know chicken sandwiches in the state of Texas, when you have a prepared meal, that's taxable. So I need to show you how to turn that on. So first you check with your state, because that sales tax is really important. That's super important. Don't skip out on that. Okay, so I hit save and close right here. I'm gonna hit save and close. Next, we're gonna go on this left-hand side where it says taxes. You see what it says? So let's set up sales tax. So we'll click set up sales tax. You're gonna put whatever address you're in. So for this example, I'm gonna put 123 Main Street, Dallas, Texas. Because this is the location of where that's going to be. And I'm just looking for the zip code 75201. I just made this address up. If someone's watching it and you live there and, people start showing up, I'm sorry. So we'll hit next. Tell us about your taxes. Do you need to click sales tax out of Texas? In this scenario, no, because we're only selling chicken sandwiches in Texas. So right there, it'll give us our tax agency. So it goes off the address that you just entered in. All right, so we'll just hit next. And guess what? Our sales tax is now set up. Okay, so you also want to check the filing frequency. So QuickBooks will help you out. So in the state of Texas, if your liability, this means how much you're going to owe. Well, you guys can read this. I don't have to read this to you guys. You guys are big, you can read. So for this case, I'm just going to put monthly. That's what most people are. We'll put monthly. Yeah, and I'm going to hit save. So now our sales tax is set up. So now I'm going to go back over to our products and services. And so this chicken sandwich, where I had it at, I'm going to go back to edit. And now you see I have this whole new category right here where it says, hey, is this taxable? Because at first we didn't have it till we turn it on. So it's really important that you turn it on. We'll just hit, yeah, it's taxable, save and close. And now we have this set up and QuickBooks will track the taxes for us. So let's say if we make a sample invoice. We have a customer. I just want to see our products and services. There it is, chicken sandwich. And you'll see the product and service come up, chicken sandwich, quantity 1, the rate 5, and then it automatically calculates that sales tax, and there you go. So guys, that's how you set up products and services in your QuickBooks.